Hi, I'm Daniel from Happy Farmer, and I'm going to go over our water kit, which includes our bell water and our water tank. And then later I'm going to show you how to hook it up to our layer coop as well as our broiler coop. When you receive the water bell, it should come fully assembled, but I will take it apart and show you a few components and also how to adjust the water level. Inside the bell, you'll have the hose. You get usually about 10 feet of hose with the rope as well to hang it. And the connection here is a simple twist, about an 1/8 turn, and this is a float, and this is what determines when the water comes out and when it stops. On the orange part here of the water bell, the water level inside the trough is determined by gravity. So when the water level is, when it's empty, the orange bell is on a spring, and so it goes up and it will push against the float inside here, and when this float is pushed, the water flow continues and will flow down, fill the trough, and when the water is full, the water bell goes down and will turn off the float, preventing the continuous flow from the tank. When the flow of water has stopped and you have it sitting in the bell here, if you would like to adjust the depth of the water, come up here, you'll remove the float part, and the white housing will turn clockwise to move it down. As you move it down, the farther down you go, the deeper your water will get in your trough. And once you have a certain location that you like, simply stop and turn this red lock nut down to secure it in place, and you should be good to go. Once you have the white housing part set, check to make sure as the water flows that it does not overflow, and you can adjust your level by screwing the white part up or down to meet your desired height. If you would like to add some weight to the water bell to keep it from swaying, you can do so by filling this reservoir here in the bottom, and I'll show you how to access that. Here at the top, we have this little black pin or key. Simply pull that off the back and set it aside, and then this whole housing here at the top, the white part, just simply slides off the top, followed by the orange bell as well. Set those aside, and then you simply have the red lock nut here as well. You can fill this with gravel, sand, pebbles, whatever works if you would like to add some weight to keep the bell from swinging. When you go to connect the water bell to the tank, simply remove the plug from the water tank, and you'll need the small adapter that will come with the water kit. Simply screw that into the tank, followed by the hose from the water bell, and just push it onto the adapter, and you should be good to go. Make sure the water tank is higher than the water bell to make sure the gravity flow works great. Also, you can cut or trim the hose to fit the style and the dimensions of the coop. Now that we have our water kit set up, let me show you how it looks on our broiler coop as well as our layer coop. To mount the bracket on the back, a couple things. It will come with a small pack of hardware. The one bolt right here on the end is actually the same bolt that holds the two side panels, so you'll have to remove that bolt and bolt the bracket there. The one over here, you'll have to pre-drill a hole. You need a drill bit for that, and there's a nut on the inside. And then the bottom, you can simply use 2 self-tapping screws just to hold that, since the weight is being held by the 2 bolts there. All right, to mount the water tank on our 9x8 broiler coop, it does come with a little bit of a different bracket style. This here is the 8-gallon tank on our 9x8 broiler. But you have the 2 posts, the bracket and the tank sits on the top. And then we have the hose with the adapter on the tank and the hose that goes down and has the same bell that our other coops would have with the gravity fed, the Plaston bell water style.